I'm Joanne, that's Adam behind the camera, and we are the couple from InspiredTaste.net. And today we're making our easy turkey meatballs in a tomato basil sauce. We love these meatballs so much, they're so easy. You actually cook the meatballs in the sauce, so there's no searing required whatsoever. Let's go do it. Start with the sauce. Heat a tablespoon of olive oil over medium heat in a wide skillet with sides. Stir in 2 minced garlic cloves, a pinch of red pepper flakes, and 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Cook, stirring everything around the pan until the tomato paste transforms from a bright red to orange. Now add 2 large cans of crushed tomatoes, a generous pinch of salt, and a big sprig of basil. Bring the sauce to a simmer and allow it to cook while you prepare the meatballs. For the meatballs, we need to combine 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs with a 1/2 cup of milk, 1 large egg, about a 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese, some fresh parsley, a 1/2 teaspoon of dried oregano, and 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt. Now gently stir in your ground turkey. We're using 1 pound. When mixed, wet your hands and form the mixture into 1-inch meatballs. Now back at the stove, we want to drop the meatballs into our simmering sauce. Be gentle here since the meatballs are pretty delicate. It's okay if the sauce does not entirely cover the tops of the meatballs. We don't want to touch them at this point. Instead, cover them with a lid and cook them for 20 minutes. Now gently shimmy the skillet to rotate the meatballs in the sauce, and cook for another 5 to 10 minutes or until the meatballs are cooked through, and then serve. We love serving these with more basil on top, and that's it. Our tender turkey meatballs cooked in a quick and easy tomato basil sauce. We just love them. Enjoy, and see you next time.
Thanks for watching. If you love this video, we have lots more. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and say hi on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. We're at Inspired Taste.